I remember when I was young, I really like to play the game called Go. So it's a game that you have to take over as much territory as possible. And in the game, people will try to research on those pro players. So they actually have a book like this. Right, so in this kind of book, you can see it's basically a record of the game of the pro players. So I found that I learned much more from researching those kind of play than just learning theories. So why I'm talking about that? Because today I'm going to share with you one of the most powerful technique you can master when it comes to marketing. That is funnel hacking. So the term funnel hacking is actually by Russell Brunson. So he is a really legendary marketer, right? But actually, it just means market research. So the original version of funnel hacking is just hook, story, offer, as you can see. But after I dive deep in marketing research, I found there's more things you need to pay attention than just hook, story, offer. So because Russell Brunson, he gave a really simplified version. So for any newbies, he can learn this framework easily. But if you really want to deep dive on marketing research, I found there's much more things you have to pay attention. So today I want to share with you 7 keys you have to pay attention when it comes to funnel hacking, right? So the first one is hook. So as you may know that hook is what make people curious about your content and what makes them want to learn more. So it's more like a clickbait, right? So as you can see, newsletter or some social media using these kind of things all the time. So you can see it as a clickbait. You want to get click. Then it's the promise, right? What's the big promise they're giving to their audience so they want to learn more, right? So you want to see what's their biggest promise. Then you want to see the benefits. What are the benefits after consuming those content or after purchasing those offers? So you want to see what's the benefit they are promising, right? Then another one is unique selling proposition. This one is big. Now you don't want to copy other people's unique selling proposition, but you want to see what makes them different. Then you want to come up with your own unique selling proposition. And most of the time nowadays, this one is all about process, right? So you can see there's some marketers say, oh, I create a process called ABC. So, and another one called, oh, I create this process called XYZ. So every marketer, they have their own unique process. And you want to see what's their unique process. Then you want to create your own. And you can get inspired by their process. Then you want to see the story, because behind every process, there is a story. There's some reason why he got this amazing idea. So you want to see what's the story. Then what's the offer? So there's 4 basic components of the offer. The first one is a product. So what's the product? Is that the book? Is that the master class? Is that a coaching program? You want to see what's the product. Then you want to see what are the bonuses, right? So, oh, you not only get this book, you got the training for free. Oh, you not only get the masterclass, you got my checklist, things like that. Then you want to see what's the pricing. Oh, the original price is $2,000 and now only $97. And they do that all the time, right? But you want to see what's the pricing. Then what's the guarantee? Oh, we have 30 days money back guarantee. We have a 100 days money back guarantee. You want to see what's their guarantee. Then what's their next step? This one is big, right? You not only want to know this product, you want to see what they are leading to. Are they going to upsell them anything? Are they going to send you to a webinar? Are they going to invite you to a call so that they can sell you on the phone? You want to know the next step so you can model after the entire process. So when I first do that, I found it's really tedious and boring. But the more I do that, I found it's really exciting because I learn more in the process. Just like when I was young, when I read this kind of book, I feel really exciting because I learn more from this than just taking class, because you can see how people actually think, how they actually do the work. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.